In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide a section in Wix step by step. This is perfect if you're building a website and want to temporarily remove a section without deleting it, or if you want to keep certain content hidden while you work on design or layout changes. This works great in Wix Studio and is something every Wix user should know. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Wix and website tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you are logged into your Wix account and have your site opened in Wix Studio. Once your editor loads, look toward the left-hand side of the screen. This is where most of your design and layout controls live. What we're looking for here is the Layers panel. The Layers panel allows you to see every element on your page, including sections, containers, text, and images, all organized in a clear structure. Go ahead and click on Layers. When you open the Layers panel, you'll see a list of all the elements currently on your page. This is extremely useful when your page has multiple sections stacked on top of each other, or when elements are hard to click directly on the canvas. Next, inside the Layers panel, look for the section you want to hide. Sections are usually labeled clearly, and you can expand or collapse them to see what content is inside. Once you find the correct section, click directly on the section name. This will select that entire section, even if it's not easy to click on visually from the page itself. After selecting the section, move your cursor to the section Options. You'll see 3 dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open additional settings for that section. This menu gives you quick actions you can perform without deleting anything. Now, from the drop-down menu, click on Hide. As soon as you click Hide, the section will disappear from your page in the editor. Don't worry, the section is not deleted. It's simply hidden, which means you can bring it back at any time if you need it again. This is especially useful if you're testing layouts, preparing seasonal content, or working on a section that isn't ready to go live yet. Hidden sections won't appear on your published website, but they remain available inside the editor for future use. If you ever want to unhide the section, just go back to the Layers panel, find the hidden section, click on it again, open the 3 dots menu, and choose Show. The section will instantly reappear exactly where it was before. And that's it. That's how you hide a section in Wix using Wix Studio in just a few clicks. Simple, fast, and very effective for managing your website layout. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Wix tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.